It's Catty and welcome back to my channel, Glam by Catty. If you are new here, welcome. I upload a new video every Sunday. As you guys can tell from the title of this week's video, I will finally be showing you how to apply false lashes. This video is also highly requested, and once we get into it, you're going to be like, what the heck, that's it? Like, it is super simple, and I will definitely go step by step, so this video will be very detailed. Now, to apply lashes, you will need a few things before we get started. The first one is an eyelash curler, and this is that way, especially if you have straight lashes where they're just like fat instead of curled and you want them curled, an eyelash curler is the perfect tool. And if you haven't used them before, I know they look freaking terrifying, but I promise you it's not. The next product you're going to need is mascara. And you can use any type of mascara at all, it does not matter, it's your personal preference. And personally, I love the Dragon Beauty Explicit Mascara, and that is more than likely what I'll be using for this video to show you guys. But I also have a drugstore favorite, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Link, and I love that one just because it is waterproof and it just coats every lash. And the point of mascara is that way your lashes are already prepped for the falsies, and it also helps like bond your lashes with the falsies. It just makes it more tacky and stick together. Then of course you're going to need a pair of falsies, and this is totally up to you. My personal preference, you guys know I am obsessed with the McKiwi lashes at the moment in the style 309. You get them from Amazon. They actually come in a pair of 3, so they definitely last longer. And these lashes can be used multiple times, especially if you take care of them. By taking care of your lashes, it also definitely saves you money, so take care of your lashes. Then the next thing you will need, of course, is lash glue. And my personal favorite is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive in clear. It's this one right here. It's just a little tube like this, and it has a brush applicator, which I will show you guys when I apply it on the actual lash before I pop it on my eye. And I love this one because it has aloe, so my eyes are pretty sensitive, and this definitely helps them, like they don't get irritated or water, and it's also latex free. And it doesn't say anywhere on the packaging for the lash glue that it's waterproof, but I promise you this really freaking works. It's like the strongest lash glue ever, because I have went swimming with my lashes on in this lash glue and they did not come off. Then of course you're going to need something to apply the lash with. And you can use a lash applicator, but you can also use a pair of tweezers. Alright, so now that you have all the products you're going to need to apply false lashes, let's get right into this video.
So I am just taking my eyelash curler and quickly going to curl my lashes because they are super straight. I know it might look pretty terrifying, but it's really simple. Just place it in between and clamp it closed and it will curl. Then I'm taking my favorite mascara, the Dragon Beauty Explicit Mascara, and applying a quick coat to my lashes so it helps them stick together with the falsies. Now get your false lashes ready, and these are the McKiwi lashes. I will also have the link listed down below in the description box, and I'm going to apply these with a pair of tweezers. So right here, just grab the false lash with the tweezers, that way you can go ahead and apply that lash glue. I love this lash glue because it has a brush tip and it just makes application so much easier. So you're just going to apply a quick strip of the lash glue to the lash band. And remember, lash glue only goes on the false lashes, never on your real lashes, guys. Then if you have a fan, or you can just blow on it like I'm fixing to do, just do it for about 30 seconds until they are nice and tacky. And you can also touch the glue to make sure that they are pretty tacky. And you're just going to pop it on top of your natural lash line, and then press your inner corner and outer corners down. Make sure those corners are down and very secure. You do not want your corners of your lashes popping off or your lashes coming off, so make sure that it is on. I'm also going to take my finger right here and push up my natural lashes with the falsies to help blend them together. And I live in Texas, so it is extremely windy, And I'm sure you guys have seen the memes about eyelashes up in the air flying around. So I'm actually going to take my finger and press it together. Right on the lash band, I'm just pushing my real lashes together with the falsies so they really stay secure and do not come off. And the goal when wearing falsies is to make sure that they blend in as much as possible with your real lashes. That way you can't tell you're wearing falsies. Now I'm taking the Dragon Beauty Explicit Mascara and applying a quick coat to my bottom lashes. You guys don't have to do this if you don't want to, it's totally optional, but I love to apply mascara to my bottom lashes, that way it just evens out since my falsies are so dramatic. Then last, I'm going to take the same mascara and I'm going to go at the base of the falsies and just kind of like wiggle it back and forth a little bit just to make sure that my real lashes are blended with the falsies. Now let me pop on the other lash and I will be right back.
So that is literally it on how to apply false lashes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it extremely helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and don't forget to drop a comment down below on what other challenge look or video you guys want to see next, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!